Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a muted video on TikTok. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. If you're getting a message like this because your TikTok video was set to mute or private, it's because you're probably using a song that doesn't have copyrights through TikTok. So the one thing you can do is to make sure when you're uploading songs that it is copyrighted with TikTok, or just use a song directly from the TikTok library is always safe to do that. However, if you're trying to use this song, there is a workaround, and I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to get out of this and go to TikTok. What you want to do is to first delete the video that was muted, and then you're going to re-upload that video by hitting that plus, and then you're going to hit upload. Then you're going to find the video that was deleted. Let's just say it was this video. I'll hit next. I'll hit next. After doing all of my switches that I need to do, if I want to edit it, I'm going to go ahead and hit sound. And then I'm just going to hit a random song. Then I'm going to hit volume. And then I'm going to take the volume from the added song and bring it all the way down, and then keep the original sound on. So I have my original sound that was on it, that song that wasn't copyrighted on there still, and then I've changed it by hitting the added sound all the way down, and then I can go ahead and post. This will fake it to TikTok, making it seem like you're not using that song that was copyrighted, and so it won't be taken down. And then that is how you go and do that. If you're uploading a video in the future and you want to just bypass all of this, you can just use a TikTok sound instead of using your own. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.